guys, my name is Karina and I am from Los Angeles, and I'm just gonna start recording myself. The reason why I'm doing an introduction is because I've already done a bunch of footage and I haven't introduced myself. So my footage is just gonna be like a bunch of days in my life here in LA, and I hope you guys enjoy it. My first video is me getting this camera, but then I forgot to introduce myself. I'm still getting the hang of this, but I hope you guys understand and enjoy my videos. Bye! Hi guys! This is my first video using my Sony camera. I'm kind of nervous. I actually wanted to purchase the cheaper one, but my husband said that we had to invest. So, you know, it was expensive. So I'm hoping I become YouTube famous and I'm able to pay this off, and it's worth it. Yum! Boiling crab! So excited. So we're here at Boiling Crab. I'm still so awkward to record. It's embarrassing, but I know I'll get used to it. We're still waiting for the Boiling Crab text. We've been waiting for like 30 minutes, but you know, Boiling Crab is always popping, always packed. There's my husband. I'm starving. That place looks pretty good too. We're starving! I'm so ready to get my grub on and eat. I love boiling crab. It's like my weakness. So many people here in Koreatown, it's insane. Like, the traffic, ugh, horrible. But I guess that's part of living in LA, huh? 2 hours later and we're still waiting. Boy, feels like 2 hours, I don't know. Say something. He's also camera shy.
Hell yeah.
It's just awkward, huh?
Yeah.
But we'll get used to it. We're finally inside, ready to eat after like 4 hours. You know. Yum! This is my favorite dessert spot. If you love anything coconut, you have to come to Mellow Mellow. And it is so cute how they give you the dessert in the little jars. It's my favorite. Hello. Oh my god, so yummy. So many to choose from. Okay, we got bags secured. I'm so excited. I love this place. I'm back. I just came out of work, but my husband and I are gonna go out tonight. So I want you guys to join me. I'm gonna get ready and I'll be back. Have you guys ever been so tired to even shower after work? Like sometimes I dread it. I'm like, should I even shower? Should I not shower? I'm just so lazy and tired. It's draining. I ended up showering. I just have to get ready now and then we'll head out. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, do my makeup, and then we'll see where the night takes us. So this is gonna be my outfit for tonight. I wanna wear this mini skirt and this long sleeve shirt. I know it's hot, but here in California, it's not that hot at night. It literally freshens up and it's like freezing. I'm always freezing. So I felt like this was a perfect shirt and this mini skirt. You know, short and then long sleeve for balance. Duh. Just kidding. So we officially made it to BCD to eat Korean food. I'm really excited, but there's a lot of people. We are, I don't even know where we're at. I don't know if we're in Koreatown or Hollywood. I'm not sure. But I'm excited. Good morning. I know I left off on Saturday, but today is Monday. Yesterday, Sunday, I worked. I didn't do anything, but I just woke up. It's 9. What time is it? It's like 9 something. And I want you guys to join me on my very, very productive day. I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna fold. I'm gonna wash. Just kidding. My husband washed. I'm gonna mop. I'm gonna eat. I don't know, but I do have to clean for sure. So I want you guys to join me. I don't know, I want to do something. My mom hit 10,000 on TikTok and I kind of want to celebrate, take her out to eat, but I don't know where to take her out. And another thing is that my mom stays up all night and then she sleeps all day, so she won't wake up till like 4 p.m. So I guess I have time to think about where I want to take her. But yeah, just come and join me. Guys, see how bad? We have this damn fan here because it gets so hot in here. I have all this stuff like that. I have to fold all that. I have to put all that away. Oh my god, not the buzz ball. Whatever you guys do, don't ever put a chair in your room. You put the chair for the room to look chic and you know you have somewhere to sit down, read a book. No, it becomes like a cluttered chair. We throw everything on that chair. So ugly. But it won't be in a bit. I'm gonna get up and clean all of this, fix my bed. Ay, ay, ay. Let me drink some water. Let me fix my shorts. It is, oh wow, 10:07. I thought it was 9. It's so funny because we have this clock here, but with the books and all, everything, it covers up. So sometimes when I'm laying down, I can't even see what time it is. It like defeats the purpose. Sorry, I have to drink some water. I bought these shorts. I look terrible here. To sleep in, but they're kind of tight. Okay guys, so there. I fixed the bed. Now I have to clean this area. But the bed is done. As long as you get your bed done first, everything else comes easier. That's a remote control, okay guys? Take your head out of the gutter. Or your mind. Or however people say that saying. It's a remote control. Okay, so bed is done. Check. Now let's move to the next thing. Okay, so I have the perfect duo, my coffee and my water. Now we're gonna keep cleaning. Now I have to tackle this basket and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hi guys, so I took a little break from cleaning because while I was cleaning up, I was like, hey, I should show them what I eat in a day. I don't eat the healthiest, but I just want to be honest with you guys. So I started my day, obviously, you guys know, with coffee and some water. And right now I snacked on like 3 chocolate mint cookies that I bought from Sprouts. I know that's not the healthiest, but that's just what I started my day with. They're these, but right now they're empty because while I was eating them, they were kind of melting and I was like, let me put them in the freezer. I feel like later, if I snack on these later and they're frozen, they're gonna be so good. But yeah, that's what I've ate so far and I'll keep you guys updated and I'll keep cleaning. Okay guys, I am back. So I have folded the clothes and separated it. My husband, he has his own closet, but only he knows how he wants his stuff. So I just fold it and then he puts it away. Yeah, it's taking me forever. I literally like take breaks like every 5 minutes, but I'm almost done. I just have to put my stuff away and then he'll put his stuff away and we're almost there. Almost. I'm so tired. I get tired fast. I don't know why. Okay, so since I'm done folding the clothes, I'm hungry again. So I'm just gonna eat crackers with salami and cheese. I'm gonna finish my coffee and drink some water. And I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube right now. And then I'll just finish up putting the clothes away. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna snack on.
Al final compré esta falda short que me gustó. Creo que esa estaba súper bien. Conociendo la botella, yo sé que va a ser una ganadora para la outfit final, pero bueno. Ahí está la camiseta.
Okay, I'm all done. I didn't really like the cheese, I'm gonna be honest. But I finished all the crackers and the salami and just left that because it was too cheesy. If you know, you know. Too cheddary. I don't know what that was, but I didn't really like it. But there, I'm all done. Okay guys, so I'm putting my jeans away and it is so funny. So my husband, he's like in love with Levi's, right? Like he has a bunch of Levi's and sometimes, okay, like I know the sizing is here, but sometimes look at this Levi. This is his, right? And then he buys me Levi too, like Levi jeans. And then I look at the Levi's, I'm like, wait, are these mine? Are these mine? I get so confused with the pants. Like I have such a hard time telling the difference sometimes. I have to go over here because, well, I'm an idiot. but the women ones, now I'm like noticing, they don't have the sizing back here, and I get confused, and the men ones do. But sometimes just looking at the jeans, I get confused. I'm like, oh my god, which one's which? So I have to go down inside and I have to check, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't even know if these are mine or if they're his. I'm a 28. He's obviously a 33, but oh my god, I'm always going back and forth, like, because the jeans look exactly the same. So yeah, that's like one of the struggles I have with the jeans. And he buys us like similar jeans, so it's so hard to tell sometimes. I'm like, oh my god. But now I know. Now I'm like paying attention. The ones that are the men ones, have it on the actual tag. Obviously the women ones, they don't have it on the tag. Or maybe some models do. That's another thing with Levi's. Like, all models are different. And it can be kind of confusing, especially when the pair of jeans looks exactly the same. Finally, the room is all clean. Took me forever, but I did it. And I am so proud of myself. No more clutter. We're good. Hi guys, I'm back. I forgot to record, but after I finished cleaning the room, I showered and got ready. So I'm all ready now. I'm just waiting for my mom and my family to get ready. I still don't know where we're gonna go eat, so I'll keep you guys updated. I haven't snacked on anything, so we'll see what I eat later. It is so hot in this car. Are you guys burning?
Why did I wear a skirt?
In this heat. It's the leather seats. I know. My sister's having a hard time, but it's true. It's really, really hot in here. But we're heading out already. Finally. We're gonna eat dumplings. We love dumplings.
I'm hungry. Me too.
You guys are hungry? That's my little brother, Gio, my little sister, Annabelle. And they are ready to eat. This is my mom. We're celebrating her today. So I know I mentioned it earlier, but my mom hit 10K on TikTok. She's TikTok famous. And now she can start making money.
Yeah.
The aftermath. Everyone's hella full.
Your boy's on a coma right now. Food coma.
A food coma.
Yeah.
So we are done eating, and now the next stop is Korean corn dogs. Guys, so now we are at Mochinut because we wanted some Korean corn dogs, and my siblings are excited. They've had Korean corn dog before, but they really like it. So let's see how it goes. Mochinut.
But you don't like Chinese food?
Beefy. So excited. Yes.
Okay, so the Korean corn dogs were for the kids. Now me and hubby are gonna get a coffee at Smoking Tiger. Best coffee ever. Hi guys, we are back home and this is it. I'm gonna end my first vlog ever here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys on the next vlog. And thank you guys for joining me. I will get better. You guys will see. Bye.